What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am not very sure if my voice is going to be audible because it's very windy. It has been raining for 2 weeks at a stretch, probably 1 or 2 days of sunlight, but other than that it has been raining in my city continuously, and these kids have been misbehaving because I have been putting up the plastic sheet, and two of my plastic sheets have been torn because of their sharp tips. So I don't have any spare plastic as of now, and if I'm going to keep them without the plastic, or if I'm going to keep them with the torn plastic, the water is going to enter in. The soil is already slightly wet, so I do not want to take a chance, so I move them under the shed. Now this place gets morning direct sunlight because right now during the monsoon season the sun rises from the northeast, so this place does get morning direct sunlight. And you can already see the weather, it is about to rain. It has been thundering for the past 30 minutes, so it will start to rain anytime soon. So I think this place is going to be good enough for maybe, let's say, until it stops raining. So I'm going to leave them over here, whereas my foliage plants are having the best time of their life because it has been raining. There's a lot of moisture in the environment. The humidity levels have increased, so they are loving this, but these guys are struggling, so I'm going to try my best to keep them as dry as possible. So that's about it. I will go and cover up my other succulents. These guys are going to stay under the shed. I don't need to be worried about the sunlight. As I said, they will be getting a good amount of sunlight, and I'm going to keep them here until the rains subside. So that's about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.